Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to calculate a future value of any investment. Here is the future value definition. The future value function returns the future value of an investment based on periodic constant payment and a constant interest rate. Here is the formula of future value, where rate is the interest rate and NPR is the total number of payments period in an annuity. PMT is the payment made each period. It cannot change over the life of the annuity, and PV is the present value. Now here is example. Find the amount accumulated when 1000 is invested for 4 years at 6% compounded monthly. Now how can, if I invested 1000 rupees and after 4 years, if interest rate is 6%, after 4 years what is the amount of future value? Now I delete this formula here, and now I will calculate here. Just is equal to, press type is equal to and FV, press tab key, and it will ask you rate. This is a rate, annual rate, but it will ask you compound monthly. Then you have to divide this rate by 12 and comma, and number of period is 4, and because compound monthly, then I will multiply by 12. Number of years multiply by 12 and comma. Payment is not given, PMT is not given, just type 0, and present value is this and comma, and end of the period or beginning of the period. For 0 is end of the period, and type, close the bracket and press enter. It will display the negative amount. Press F2 key, and in present value just type minus and press enter. It will return the positive value. Now you can calculate future value of any investment in Microsoft Excel. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.